Namaste students. Today we are going to see practice set 9.2 discount and commission. Example number 1. John sold books worth rupees 4500 for publisher. For this he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. Now students, first of all we have to read this example carefully. Read the example and then try to solve it. Selling price of books. This is selling price. And here you will get the answer. John sold the books worth rupees 4500. So you get the answer. So what will be the selling price? 4500 rupees. Do you understand? Now we have to write rate of commission. Here it is given. Rate of commission is given in percentage. So he received 15% commission. So rate of commission, what we can write? 15%. 15%. This is the rate of commission. Now students, we have to find commission obtained. Commission obtained. Commission obtained, that is 15% of the selling price, means we have to multiply this selling price by 15%, and 15% means 15 upon 100. 15% means 15 upon 100. So this is 15% multiplied by the selling price. So what is the selling price? 4500. In this way we can calculate. Now students, see, very simple. 15 upon 100 multiplied by 4500. Now this 0 gets cancelled with this 0, means we are dividing by 100. So this second 0 gets cancelled with this second 0. 15 into 45. 15 fives are 75. So we will do the rough calculation. 75. So this is 5. 15 fives are 75. Carried over 7. Carried over 7. 15 fours are 60. 60 plus 7, 67. So this is our rough calculation. 67, which means 675. And we have to write this commission here, that is 675. So this is the answer. The commission, total commission is 675 rupees. 675 rupees. Do you understand? Write down this example in your notebook. Now, the second example we are going to see. Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. Now see, here the total amount, that is 15,000, and rate of commission is 4%, and selling price, that is 15,000. So what is asked? Find the commission. Find the commission he paid. Who paid the commission? Rafiq paid the commission, and we have to find the commission. Find the amount received by Rafiq. First of all, we will see the amount of commission. The amount of commission, 4% of the selling price. So we can write amount of commission, that is amount of commission is equal to amount of commission is equal to 4%. 4% of 15,000. 4% of 15,000. What is the meaning of 4% of 15,000? Means 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100. 4% means 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100 multiplied by, of means multiplied by this 15,000. So in this way we can solve. 4% means 4 upon 100 multiplied by 15,000. Now these two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 0 0 cancel. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0. Now what is remaining? 150 into 4. 150 into 4. 150 into 4 is equal to 600. 150 into 4 is equal to 600. So this is the amount of commission. This is the amount of commission. And who is getting this commission? The agent. Agent will get this commission. Do you understand? Agent will get this commission of rupees 600. But students, who is giving the commission? Rafiq. Rafiq will pay this commission to this agent. So the total selling price of flowers is 15,000. But Rafiq has to pay rupees 600 to the agent. So Rafiq will not get all this amount. Rafiq will get the amount. Rafiq will get the amount that is equal to 15,000 minus 600. 15,000 minus 600 म्हणजे 15,000 रुपयाची फुलं रफिकने विकलेत, पण तेवढे 15,000 त्याला नाही मिळणार कारण त्यांनी कमिशन एजंटच्या मदतीने ते विकलेत ना. मग हे 600 रुपये त्याला कोणाला द्यावे लागणार आहे? एजंटला द्यावे लागणार आहे. मग ही सबट्रॅक्शन आपल्याला करावी लागेल. 15,000 minus 600. Now do this subtraction. 14,400 rupees. 14,400 rupees. This amount Rafiq will get. Do you understand? So this is our answer. Rafiq will get this amount. Amount received by Rafiq is rupees 14,400. Do you understand this example? You can write this example in your notebook. Now students, we will see the third example. A farmer sold food grains for rupees 9,200 rupees through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? First of all, we have to read the example carefully. And here we can understand that the selling price is rupees 9,200 and the rate of commission it was 2%. म्हणजे आता हा जो शेतकरी आहे यांनी धान्य विकलं या रकमेला आणि एजंटला किती कमिशन दिले त्यांनी 2%. सो हाऊ मच अमाऊंट डीड द एजंट गेट? मग आता आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? लक्ष द्या. पहिल्यांदा आपण दोन गोष्टी महत्वाच्या आहेत त्या आपण लिहून घेऊया. सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट इज इट? 9,200. Okay, and rate of commission, what is it? Rate of commission, what is it? Can you tell? What is the rate of commission? Is equal to 2%. So it is 2%. Now actual commission, rate of commission दिलेला आहे आपल्याला. How much amount did the agent get? Amount received by the agent. Amount received by the agent. Amount received by the agent. आता एजंटला किती अमाऊंट मिळाली असेल तर सेलिंग प्राइसच्या 2%. 2% म्हणजेच काय? 2/100. इकडे लक्ष द्या. 2% म्हणजेच काय? 2/100. टू अपॉन 100. 2% म्हणजेच काय? 2/100 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 2/100 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 2% ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? 2% ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? 9,200. 2% multiplied by 9,200. Now see students, 2% of 9,200. आता आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? We are dividing this numerator by 100. So these two zeros, they will get cancelled with these two zeros in the denominator. So what will remain there? 92 into 2. 92 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 8. Means 184. So this answer will be 184. Do you understand? So this is the amount received by the agent. How much amount did the agent get? The agent got amount that is 184. You can write the answer as the agent got the amount rupees 184 rupees. The agent got the amount rupees 184. एक लक्षात ठेवा, म्हणजे सेलिंग प्राइस जी आहे ती आणि रेट ऑफ कमिशन जर दिलेलं असेल तर या दोघांचं 2% म्हणजे 2/100 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय दिस सेलिंग प्राइस. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित करायचं, देन यू विल गेट द आन्सर. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Now students, we will see example number 4. Let us read this example. Umatai purchased following items from a Khadi Bhandar. 3 saris for 560 rupees each. 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? आता हे जे rebate आहे, rebate, it is just like discount. Rebate is just like discount. मग आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द टोटल प्राइस ऑफ दीज आयटम्स. याची आपल्याला टोटल प्राइस काढावी लागेल. सो लेट अस कॅल्क्युलेट द टोटल प्राइस ऑफ दीज आयटम्स. टोटल प्राइस of these items. आता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 sarees for rupees 560 each. 3 sarees means 3 multiplied by 560. ही प्राइस कशाची झाली? 3 multiplied by 560. This is the price of sarees. 6 bottles multiplied by 90 rupees. का बरं केलं आपण हे? एका बॉटलची किंमत 90 rupees. The price of one bottle is 90 rupees. So the price of 6 bottles will be 6 multiplied by 90. See here, 3 multiplied by 560. This is the price of total price of 3 sarees. Then plus see here, 6 multiplied by 90. 6 multiplied by 90. This is the total price of honey. Now we have to calculate this. 3 into 560. 3 zeros are 0. Then 3 6s are 18. Carried over 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So this is the 1600. That is the price of total price of 3 sarees. Now plus 6 into 90. Let us calculate. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 9s are 54. Okay. In this way we have calculated it. Now total addition. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. Carried over 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Again carried over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2220. 2220 rupees. This is the total price of these items. Now there is rebate. Rebate is just like discount. Okay. So how much? आता आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? आधी रिबेटची अमाउंट आपल्याला काढावी लागेल. रिबेट इज इक्वल टू, आता रिबेट किती आहे? 12%. म्हणजेच काय? 12% of 2220. Okay, 2220 म्हणजेच काय? 12% means 12 upon 100. 12% means 12 upon 100. Okay, of means multiplied by. Of means multiplied by 2220. We have to do this calculation. 12% means 12 upon 100. Of means multiplied by, and this 2220. Now students, you know, this 0 will get cancelled with this 0. Okay, so this is equal to, we have to do the multiplication. Now, in this way, Umatai paid the amount 1953.60, means rupees 1953 and paise 60. Do you understand? In this way, we have solved this fourth example. Now students, we will see example number 5. Let us read this example. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. Srimati Deepanjali purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. Agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So this is the information. Srimati Deepanjali paid. Now Deepanjali, she purchased a house. She purchased a house. Deepanjali यांनी खरेदी केलाय. ही जी अमाऊंट आहे 7,50,000 त्याच्या 2% त्यांनी कोणाला दिले असतील? एजंटला. सो हियर वी हॅव टू राईट 7,50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 100. 7,50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 100. So we can write here 7,50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 100. Now this calculation is very easy. 2 zeros in the numerator will get cancelled with 2 zeros in the denominator. 2 zeros cancel. So what will be remain there? 7,500 into 2. 7,500 into 2, that is 15,000. Okay. So 15,000. I will write it again. 15,000 will be the brokerage for purchasing. Okay. This will be the brokerage for purchasing. Srimati Leelaben paid. Now Leelaben is also paying the brokerage. So that is also 2%. So it will also be 15,000. Now total brokerage. He is getting from both. The agent is getting brokerage from both. So 15,000 plus 15,000 from Deepanjali and from Leelaben. So that will be equal to 30,000. 30,000. The cost of house Deepanjali paid. Now Deepanjali has purchased this. So she has to pay this amount to Leelaben and rupees 15,000 to the agent. So this amount will be 7,50,000. 7,50,000 plus 7,50,000 to Leelaben plus 15,000 to the agent. So what will be this addition? You can do this 0, 0, 0. Okay. Let us do this addition. These 3 zeros. Okay. Now this 0 plus 5. That will be 5. Then 5 plus 1. That will be 6. Then this 7. Do you understand? So 7,65,000. 7,65,000. This is the amount and the cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid. Now selling price of house Srimati Leelaben. Actually Leelaben, she cannot get the whole amount. 7,50,000. She cannot get this because if she get this amount, then she has to give 15,000 to the एजंट. म्हणजे लीलाबेन यांनी घर विकलंय, ही अमाऊंट त्यांना मिळणार नाही कारण यातले 15,000 त्यांना कोणाला द्यायचे? 15,000 एजंटला द्यायचे. मग ही सबट्रॅक्शन करावी लागेल आपल्याला. लीलाबेन यांनी घर विकलंय, ही जी अमाऊंट आहे त्यांच्या घराची, ही अमाऊंट मिळाल्यावर त्यांना 15,000 कोणाला द्यावे लागणार आहे? एजंटला द्यावे लागणार आहे. म्हणजे ही अमाऊंट त्यांना प्रत्यक्ष ताब्यात मिळेल. म्हणजे एजंटला कोणाकोणाकडनं पैसे मिळाले? दीपांजली यांच्याकडनं पण मिळाले आणि लीलाबेन यांच्याकडनं पण मिळाले. ओके, समजलं हे एक्झाम्पल? राईट दिस एक्झाम्पल इन युअर नोटबुक. So students, now write down all these examples in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy learning mathematics. Bye.